Presenting Kodak 32 inches HD certified Android LED TV in the color black. This TV is also available in 40-inch, 43-inch, 50-inch and 55-inch variants. This HD certified Android LED TV with the refresh rate of 60 Hz makes your viewing experience delightful. The HD ready display with an A+ grade panel, slim and stylish design provides you with an immersive viewing experience. This TV is powered by an Android operating system and also supports voice search, Google Play, Chromecast and Amazon Prime. This LED Android TV has 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports for easy connectivity. The 24 watts audio output provides you with a clear and enticing musical experience. Inside the box, you will find one TV unit, one wall mount, one user manual, one remote control and 2 AAA batteries. The TV comes with a standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product.